Hi guys, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video we're going to be making a glam piece today, and we will be using some wire wreath forms from the Dollar Tree, the small ones. So I'm outside right now. Let me show you what we're about to do. This is where I normally bring my wreath forms to vent. We need to vent these fumes. So I'm going to be spray painting these in the silver. So I thought I'd take you with me. I want to spray paint them even though you probably won't see much of this, only because I don't like that dark. We'll be using gems, so I don't want that dark to come through. And these will sit out here for a little bit, and then I'm going to flip them over and do the other side. So I'll be right back with you. Okay, that's what they look like. I'll be right back. Hi guys. Let me flip these over now and see if I can go ahead, they're dry enough, and see if we can spray paint the other side. So these are going to need a few more minutes, probably about 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and then I'll come out here and get them, and we continue with the craft. All right. Hi everyone. Okay, so we're back from drying these 4 wreath forms. And again, let me tell you, you can get a double pack of the wreath forms at your Dollar Tree in the floral, where they have your, I think in the floral section or right by the vases. Okay, so so we spray painted these. Okay, so now this is what we're gonna do. Everything that I'm using to create this craft is down in the description box below, okay? And so now what we're gonna start doing is we're gonna start gluing these gems. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this over here, and so we can start with this one. Now what I'm gonna be using is this clear tight, or the Loctite clear silicone waterproof sealant. That's what we're going to use to glue these gems down. So now we have 2 glues and both of them dry clear. Okay, and that's what you should have. I'm going to do a couple more. A little bit of the sealant. We'll grab a gem. Then we're going to place the gem right there. So in other words, you're placing it on the bar and we're placing the gems close together. Okay, and that's what that looks like, guys. You see that? So we're going to do that for the first row, and we're going to do on the second row. We're going to put a dab of the sealant. The gems you could also get at the Dollar Tree. And then we're going to lay this down. I'm going to go ahead and do a few for you guys, and then I'll finish the rest off camera. The idea is to get something that dries clear and that doesn't fog up the stone. pushing them as close together as possible. See what I mean? Okay. But I'm liking that. So let's do a couple more. Now, this is just the top row right here, guys. Let me just lift that up a little bit. The top row right up here. So now we're gonna do some down here so you can get an idea on what that's gonna look like. Let me lift this camera up just a little. Okay, so now we're gonna do the inner part here. So we're gonna still use some of that ceiling on the top and the bottom. See what I mean, guys? Isn't that pretty? So of course we'll go ahead and wipe this down, but I'm gonna do one or two more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of the gems, placing the gems. Okay, so okay guys, so what I'd like to show you, the first two that I did, isn't that absolutely gorgeous, guys? That's absolutely stunning. Okay, so here's what I did with this. Let me see if I can come up close. I laid the gems on the inner side and on the outer side, and then I went in between and I placed some gemstones in there. Then on the top over here, I placed a pearl with the wrap for me to hang this. Okay, so I made two of those. Okay, so this is part of the decoration for this. So what I'm gonna do is continue hot gluing and placing the gems down. So. So over here we have a gem missing, so let's glue that one down. So guys, the idea is definitely there. I just wanted you to get an idea of what we're doing. Okay guys, so this is what we have so far. And I'm gonna go ahead and secure some of these gems with the sealant below. Okay, I'm gonna go back and like I said, I'm gonna wipe this down, I'm gonna finish filling these in, and then I'm gonna be right back with you with the end result. Okay. All right, guys, so while that dries, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this bling wrap. Now I ran out of the pearl. You see how I have the pearl hanger here and then I have the pearl there. We're gonna randomly place some pearls around here too. And we're going to use the bling wrap as the hanger for this one. So two of them will have the pearl, one of them will have the bling wrap. Okay, so let's randomly place some pearls on these along with those gemstones. Okay. So this one will have the combination of the clear crystal gemstones and the pearls. Though these two only have the clear crystal gemstones. So this one here will tie those two together. Okay, so I put that all the way around. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure the hanger, see how much I have to cut. I'm gonna leave it that wide, and I don't want the hanger to be too big. And I'm also going to place some glue underneath here to hold that bling wrap in place. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous, guys? I'm loving it. Very, very glam. So now what we have is we have these two hangers, okay? These crystal hangers here, and this has the gemstones, the clear gemstones, and then it also has the little crystal gemstones. Along the top here, you have the pearl wrap is your hanger with the big pearl. So these two have, this is what these two have. Now this one here, okay, is the sphere that we made. Now we have to let that glue set for 24 to 48 hours. But this one here has both, has the pearls and the clear crystal gemstones along the top. So again, everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next video.